Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology IQ. Today we are going to look at genetics part 4. Please, without wasting any time, let's go to our quiz. What is a difference between a nucleus of an egg cell and that of a somatic or in bracket body cell of an animal? Egg cell is haploid, and a somatic cell, or what we call the body cell, is diploid. Suggest an advantage of producing genetically identical animals. They have the same wool quality. What is meant by genetic engineering? Manipulation of genes. State an application of genetic engineering involving a microorganism. Production of hormone or enzymes or interferon. Name 3 processes involved in genetic engineering. We have isolation, cutting or restriction, transformation or ligation, introduction of base sequence or changes, and expression. What is meant by segregation? Separation of a pair of allelic genes during meiosis, resulting in each gamete having only one of the pair of genes. Explain why linked genes do not assort independently. They are transmitted on the same chromosome. Suggest a disadvantage of producing genetically identical animals. Lack of variation or prone to diseases. State the law of independent assortment. During gamete formation, each member of a pair of genes may combine randomly with either of another pair. Name the two types of nitrogenous base found in DNA. Purines and pyrimidines. Explain the term transformation in the context of genetic engineering. The uptake of DNA or plasmids or gene. Name a cell organelle apart from the nucleus in which DNA is found. Mitochondrion or chloroplast. Explain the term isolation in context of genetic engineering. Locating or removal of a gene or a piece of DNA or plasmid. In genetics, what is meant by sex linkage? Gene on sex chromosome. Can be the Y chromosome or X chromosome. What term is used to describe alleles that lie on the same chromosome? Linked. State an application of genetic engineering involving a plant. Slow ripening tomatoes or herbicide resistant plants or freeze resistant plants. Explain the term ligation in the context of genetic engineering. The joining of DNA or plasmid or gene. Name the condition in humans that is governed by a sex-linked allele. Hemophilia or color blindness. Which nitrogenous base can link only to thymine? Adenine. Explain the term expression in the context of genetic engineering. The activation of the inserted gene or production of product. State an application of genetic engineering involving an animal. Antifreeze in farmed fish, pharmaceutical from transgenic animals. Which nitrogenous base can link only to cytosine? Guanine. Explain the term restriction in bracket cutting in the context of genetic engineering. Cutting the DNA or plasmid with enzyme. Name the type of bonding which occurs between members of a base pair in the DNA molecule. Hydrogen. Thank you very much, my friend, for attending to Biology IQ. Today, we have been looking at genetics part 4. Let's meet again in other series of Biology IQ. I remain Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.